artifact F2B013004 Early approaches to SLA. Survey of early approaches with 3-step data, constructive analysis, error analysis, and monitor model. Contrastive analysis is an approach to the study of SLA which involves predicting and explaining learner problem based on a comparison of L1 and L2 to determine similarities and differences. The language one level at a time, generally constructing the phonology of L1 and L2 first, then morphology, then syntax, with the lexicon receiving relatively little attention and discourse still less. The theory assumes is that there will be transfer in learning. In the case of SLA, this means the transfer of element occur or habited in L1 to the target L2. The transfer is called positive, or facilitating the same structure is appropriate in both languages, as in the transfer of a Spanish plural morpheme as on nouns to English. Example, languages to language. The transfer is called negative or interference when the L1 structure is used inappropriately in the L2, as in the additional transfer of Spanish plural s to a modifier in number agreement with the noun. For example, negative interference languages modern to modern language, a translation which was printed at the top of a letter that I received from South America, or green beans for green beans which I saw post as a vegetable option in a US cafeteria near the Mexican border. There are 5 types of interference. The first, same form and meaning difference distribution. The second, same meaning different form. The third, same meaning different form and distribution. 4. Different form, partial overlap in meaning. And the last, similar form and different meaning. Error analysis. Error analysis is the first approach to the study of SLA, which includes and the internal focus on learners' creative ability to construct language. The procedure for analyzing learner error include the following steps. The first, collection of a sample of learner language. Next, identification of error. Description of error. Explanation of error. Evaluation of error. Lack of positive data. And the last, potential for avoidance. Interlanguage. Under the same influences from linguistics and psychology as Corder, and building on his concept and procedures for EA. An interlanguage has the following characteristics. The first, systematic. The second, dynamic. The third, variable. And the last, reduced system, both in form and function. Monitor model proposed by Stephen Krashen, 1978. It explicitly and essentially adopts the notion of a language acquisition device, or LED, which is a metaphor Chomsky used for children's innate knowledge of language. Krashen's approach is a collection of 5 hypotheses which constitute major claims and assumptions about how the L2 code is acquired. This is monitor model. There are 5 hypotheses forming the model. The first, acquisition learning hypothesis. The second, natural order hypothesis. The third, monitor hypothesis. 4, input hypothesis. And the last, effective filter hypothesis. Thank you.